Make baked custard. One of the best comfort foods for people who have a sweet tooth is baked custard. Baked custard is a simple recipe that you can do by yourself at home. You can also get a lot of nutrients from baked custards. It is one of those comfort foods that will not make you guilty afterward. Here are the steps on how you can make your own baked custard at home. Ingredients and preparation. For this recipe, you will need 4 large eggs, 1/2 cup white sugar, 2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 3 cups milk, cinnamon for garnishing. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease your custard cups with non-stick spray. Get a medium-sized saucepan and heat the milk until it is very hot. Mixture. Get a large mixing bowl. Beat the 3 eggs until they are mixed. Add the white sugar, vanilla extract and the salt. Mix the ingredients until all of the sugar has been dissolved. Gradually add the hot milk to the mixture while stirring. Avoid putting in the hot milk in the mixture quickly because the eggs might get cooked. Once all the ingredients are blended, you are ready to bake your custard. Bain-Marie. The next thing you have to do is to heat water on a pot. This will be used for the hot water bath when baking the custard. Using a hot water bath while baking the custard will keep the custard mixture smooth and soft. Preparation for baking. Put the custard mixture on your custard cups. Do not fill the cups all the way. Leave an allowance of about 3/4 of an inch. Sprinkle the cinnamon on top of each custard cup. Once you are all ready, get a basin or a baking tray that is higher or about the same height as your custard cups. Arrange the custard cups in the tray. Baking. Get the water that you heated and pour some on the tray. Fill it up until the water level is equal to the amount of custard inside the custard cups. This is done so that the heat will not directly go to the custard. Place the tray in the oven and bake the custard for about 20 to 30 minutes. Constantly check on the custard when 20 minutes has already elapsed. You will know when it is cooked when the custard is jiggles when you try to shake the pan. Storage. Remove the custard from the heat as soon as it is cooked. Letting it stay in the oven may overcook the custard. Let it cool. When it is already cool enough, place wraps on top of the custard and refrigerate it for 2 hours before eating. You can store the custard up to 2 days. These are the steps on how you can make your own baked custard at home. The cooking time of the custard depends greatly on the size of the custard cups that you use. If you use a smaller custard cup, lessen the cooking time so that it won't be overcooked and stiff.